Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm showing you how to add images to your Shopify source menu in 2025. And yes, you won't need to touch a single line of code. Whether you're showcasing product categories or giving your menu a modern look, adding images can boost engagement and professionalism. Disclaimer: this is based on current features available in 2025 and personal research. Features may vary depending on your theme. So, first, you'll need to make sure your Shopify theme supports image-rich menus. Many premium themes like Impulse, Prestige, or Dawn 2.0 Plus now include this as a built-in feature. If you're using a free theme like Dawn, you may still have options free sections everywhere or drag and drop menu blocks. So, we're gonna do is to navigate to online store and click themes and customize. So simply go to your Shopify admin dashboard, then click online store, click themes, click customize next to your current theme. Now navigate to the header section where your menu leaves. Now click on the menu block or mega menu block, depends on your theme. Choose the menu item where you want to add an image. Here, you'll see options like add image, image block, or featured image. Click it and upload your desired image from your computer or media library. Depending on your theme, you can resize the image. Choose image position, could be left, right, or above text. Link the image to a product collection or page. Use the live preview to make sure it looks clean and works on both desktop and mobile. If your theme doesn't support images and menus, try using apps like Meteor Mega Menu or Buddha Mega Menu from the Shopify App Store. They offer drag and drop editors and image uploads, no code required. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.